So if you found this market downturn pretty stressful and you're wondering when is it going to end, I'm going to share with you something pretty cool. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. But essentially, I'm here to break down crypto for you. It's all really complicated, but if you know where to look, there's some interesting ways to understand how the market's moving. So what we basically have here is a chart that describes what is the behavior of short-term holders. Now that is describing anyone that's held Bitcoin on chain in the last 155 days. The idea being that if you've held Bitcoin in the last 155 days, maybe you didn't buy it at such a great price, maybe you bought it on the way up. So if price is falling back lower, you're more than likely to let go of your position. That's all what we're basically measuring here. And this little red line here basically shows what is the rate of change of these short-term holders. You know, these people that are FOMOing in, at what point are they coming in, and what point are they leaving the market? So the way I'm sort of viewing what the market's doing right now is like, obviously Bitcoin's under 100K, it's even pushing under $90,000. But for me, we're doing something really interesting here. We've done the same thing 3 times already since the start of 2024, where we've taken out a lot of these short-term holders and then the market's reset, reaccumulated, and started to move higher again. Now, of course, it doesn't mean that this is the bottom, but what we try to do when we try to read markets is, statistically understand, well, what are areas where people are likely to step in and buy? Because that's all the market is. It's a mixture of buyers and sellers being matched against one another. So again, we can see here that we've already been here 3 times at this particular Z-score, which is basically just measuring how significantly far away are we mathematically from what's the average. And for me, this is definitely an area that I'm paying attention to. While I still think the market could chop for quite some time, these are the kind of areas where bottoms have formed twice already. So I just think this could be very mechanical, very methodical, and potentially something that we could see move to the upside as early as next year. So again, if you like what you heard here today, give me a like, give me a follow. There's more of this stuff to come, and we'll see you next time.